morning, fam. So in today's video I thought it would be a little fun to do a little get ready with me for work challenge-ish kind of thing. So it is now 6:28. Let me turn off my alarm. 6:28, and I'm gonna try to get ready in like 30 minutes, like hair done, face done kind of thing. But I did shower the night before, so I don't really have to shower right now. I'm like crooked, sorry guys. Alright, so I do need to like wash my face and brush my teeth. Oh gosh. So how are you guys? I know I didn't post much. I'm looking for a headband, sorry. So how are you guys? I know I didn't post much last week. Had a kind of busy week and weekend-ish. My god. Yeah, so let's get started. Clean my face with these facial radiance pads I got from a BoxyCharm. Dude, I'm already like running out of it. I really want to get it because I feel like it's helping my face get clearer. Gosh. My cat keeps scratching my carpet. Like throughout my house, my carpet's kind of like messed up on the corners. And I don't know how to make him stop. He has a scratching post, like a gigantic scratching post. But he still scratches the crap out of my carpet. If anybody has any suggestions, please let me know. Whew, gotta let that dry. It is now 6:33. I think we're running like behind schedule because it's kind of late now. Okay. And I dropped the stuff for my moisturizer. Confidence in the cream. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything on my fitness journey yet. But I will soon, okay? I'm trying to get ready for it. I did have my husband film me at the gym, but only like a few workouts. I got kind of shy. So I'm going to try to use mostly drugstore makeup today. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild, very loved Wet n Wild bronzer in What Shady Beaches, because, you know, I swear my mornings aren't this crazy, but I had like a whole thing planned out, and I was like, you know what, it'll be kind of fun to do get ready with me kind of challenge in like 30 minutes, right? Or is that like too long? Do people not have that much time to get ready in the morning? I'm going to use the color Tattoo in Socialite. Kind of simple eye makeup for the bubs. My cat is like going buck wild right now. I love him, but sometimes he gets too crazy for me. I'm going to use my Ulta Primer. This is like my favorite right now. I feel like it helps keep my oils at bay. I have like, I feel like a very naturally oily face as the day goes by. Like I just look like a hot mess, like a hot greasy mess. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Favorite Infallible. This is like my everyday. I said I was gonna start vlogging and I totally didn't. I should have vlogged yesterday, guys, when I made like this whole, who has been to like boiling crab or something like it? If you don't know what it is, look it up. But I kind of made that style of a meal where there's like a bunch of seafood, and I made like this sauce with butter, a lot of butter. Well, I can't believe it's not butter. And garlic, and I put some seasoning, some cayenne pepper, Cajun whatever sauce, Cajun sauce, and hot sauce, chili powder, all this good stuff to make it spicy. It was delicious. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible. I don't know how I feel about this concealer. Honestly, I'm just using it up because I don't want to waste it. I wonder how much time I have left, guys. Okay, ooh, it's 6:40. I don't think I'm gonna be ready in time. Maybe I'll be done with my makeup in 10 minutes, but I don't know about my hair. So I'm gonna use this to, sorry, that was backwards, set my face. I'm gonna keep up with the theme of drugstore prices. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome. Okay, I'm just gonna use the same bronzer for my under eyes. I know this is not drugstore, but I'm gonna use my Park Avenue Princess palette to contour my nose. Oh my god. Okay, did I like totally fail my makeup challenge? For my bronzer, I'm just gonna keep using this. Dude, this is hard to use. I'm like trying to use the edges. I don't think it's working for me very well. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to put this in my empties bin after. Now for my blush, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match blush in Subtle Sable. As you can see, my eyebrows has makeup on it. So what I usually do is I just get my NYX brow pencil and then just start trying to shade it back in. See the difference? Like, there's like foundation all over this one. Okay guys, just to update you, I totally freaking failed. It is 7 o'clock and I'm not done getting ready. I tried my best, okay? I tried my best.
I guess it just wasn't good enough.
Still using my same highlighter, but I'm pretty much like done. I just have to spray my face, put mascara on, and I'm good. I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys to my sink because I have to wash my hands. I usually try to braid my hair at night so it doesn't get so tangled in the morning, because sometimes my hair gets a little crazy, y'all, like super crazy. And I feel like by the time I'm done doing my hair or like getting my stuff for my hair set up, I'm good to go and put on my mascara. So since I'm letting my flat iron heat up, I'm just gonna set you guys back down and put on some mascara. It is now 7:08. 38 minutes since I said I was gonna, since I woke up, I was like, I'm gonna get ready and however long. But that didn't happen. I will be right back. I'm gonna go put on my scrubs and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey fam. So as luck would have it, it is now 7:30 and I need to leave my house at 7:40, so I'm just making my coffee and I think I'm gonna head out, drink it really fast and head out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.